Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtone on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, creating your own ringtone can be a fun way to personalize your device. This process for creating a custom ringtone varies depending on your device. But here I'm going to show you some steps. For example, you can download or transfer the songs you want to use on your Android phone. Now go to the settings app, search for the sound and vibration, and here you go. Now tap on other notifications and reminder, and here you can see you can choose the local ringtone. That means that this will give access to your music, and from there you can select your downloaded music from there. And for example, I can select this and just tap right here on OK, and this will be selected for your chosen song. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.